How to integrate Shopify with Squarespace. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called Shopify and then this platform over here called Zapier. Now if you don't know, Zapier is a website that allows you to integrate two different websites and make them work together. Now the first thing we're going to do is you're going to create an account on Zapier, and then once you log in, you're going to click on create Zap over here on the left side, and we're going to add a trigger. For the trigger, we're going to add Shopify, and then click on this option over here. And then after that, you're going to select add an event, for example, a new order, and this event will be what activates this trigger. Now when you click continue, we would need to connect our Shopify account. Now over here, we can click on the action number 2. Over here, this is where we're going to type SquareSpace, and then we're going to click on SquareSpace option. Over here, we're going to click on an event, and this is our only event over here. Then we can click on continue, and we would need to connect our SquareSpace account. Now as you can see here, this is how we will integrate both of them together by having Shopify as the first trigger and then having Squarespace as the action. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.